As a retail trader, you know you can trade any instruments. The same strategy you use in trading both Forex, you can apply the same strategy in trading futures, stocks, bonds, and even Bitcoin, all right? And in this video, I'll be showing you the same strategy that I've been using to trade Forex, to trade Bitcoin as a professional, all right? And if you stick to the very end of this video, I have a special announcement to make. You might even be a lucky winner to have access to this particular information. So just stick around. Let me not spill the bean yet. I'm sure you might have been hearing about the bootcamp bull runs, all right? And a lot of people are taking advantage to wait for this particular time this bull run will happen. But currently, the market is currently declining. But that is a retracement on the higher time frame. I've been talking about top-down analysis on this platform for a very long time now. I recently released a video about the top-down analysis. You may need to go and see that video. Bitcoin is in an overall uptrend. So if you are shorting Bitcoin, you are doing that at your expense of your capital. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to take advantage of Bitcoin right now so that you can make tremendous money for yourself, whether you are doing future trading or spot trading. So stick around. Let's dive into this video straight up. All right, good. This is Bitcoin on the weekly time frame. All right, you know I like to start from top-down analysis. All right, so let me mark my chart. I'll be marking the highest level where price got to before we start seeing declining. Price got to $74,000 before we start seeing this decline. All right, this decline, a lot of people are misinterpreting it, thinking that Bitcoin is shorting. Bitcoin is just a retracement. All right, now using price action, I'll be showing you what type of chart patterns I'm saying on a weekly time frame. And this is the best way to analyze this market. All right, now because of what I'm saying here, this is a support, right? And based on my moving average, 50 moving average, I've not taught a video about moving average. I only teach this in my inner circle. All right, and based on my moving average, this is where my support could be. Right now, I'll be marking a zone here. This is where my support is. Right, so right now I'm currently focusing on this level of chart. All right, this is where price is currently floating on. All right, so right now, let's not even forget that we have a weak rejection here. All right, let me even zoom out so I can see there's a weak rejection here, right? Meaning that price got here before we now start seeing bulls coming in. Right, so I'm going to be marking here to show my weekly lows. Right, this is my weekly low. Right, so just to give me a guide once I'm scaling down to the lower time frame. Now this is top-down analysis. I'm starting from the weekly time frame. All right, so what I can see is that price is currently retracing back to this level of support, right? This level of support, right? So price got here, buyers came in. Price got here, even broke below to $49,000 before we saw bulls came in. Now the bears are in this market already. That is the reason you're seeing the sellers, bears, bringing the price down, right? So where will this price get to before we're not seeing a push to the upside? I'm anticipating that price will get to this level, which is $55,000. $54,000 before we now start seeing what a chart pattern that will make us go in for a long time trade. All right, because if you look at Bitcoin right now, we are on a very big bullish trend. All right, now let's see what are we looking at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. You can see, so we are in this phase of what, correction, right? I want to see something like this. When price get to a level which is I called POI, when I start seeing what, a bullish candles coming in, the bears will now start setting in. Right now, what I can see here, I can see a bullish flag pattern. All right, now let me show you. Now this is where price got to, right? And before we now start seeing a little bit declination, which is I refer as what, retracement. Now look at it. This is a chart pattern that I see. This is a bullish flag chart pattern. Did you see that? And there are ways you trade chart patterns. Now once you see things like this, this is a bullish flag chart pattern. Now this is bullish flag. Price will consolidate inside the flag, then find a support here to break to the upside. Now what I'm saying is that nobody should even try to sell Bitcoin. If you are selling Bitcoin, you should be doing that just day trading or scalping. All right, Bitcoin is still in an overall bullish trend. Now let's scale further. I haven't spotted this flag chart pattern. Let's even go below. You can see that we've been breaking some lows, right? We're breaking some lows, and to the upside, you can see we have a triangular pattern here. So this is a chart pattern you want to notice. You want to spot that whenever you are trading. What chart pattern can you see? This is a triangular chart pattern, and here we have a bullish flag pattern. Now, how do we trade this chart? You need to wait for price to come to this level of support. This is where we can find momentum to buy, right? This is where we can find momentum to buy. But should in case price breaks below this support, the other support we are looking at is this price there, which is $49,000. But right now, my target is price should get to this level of $54,000 before I could now start looking for what? Buys. Now, let's go to daily time frame. Now, good. On the daily time frame, what can we see? Price is now pushing to this level that I'm just showing you right now, this $54,000 level. So once price gets here, what will happen? You can see this chart pattern already. Boom. Right? Once price gets here, expect what? Bullishness. That is what I can see on what the daily time frame. Right now, what is happening here? People are just selling Bitcoin. Those who are doing spot trading, or those who are even doing perpetual trading, right? Or this derivative. But you want to make sure that the price gets to this level before you enter for this trade as a buy. Don't look for sell. Now, if you look at the daily candle, yesterday, the candle closes with a bearish engulfing candle. Did you see that? So you cannot see this type of candle and be going in for a sell immediately. Wait for price to get to your point of interest. Why am I saying this as my point of interest? This is a place, this is a level where price respects so much. Did you see that? Each time price gets here, we have boost shooting the price up. You can see when price got here, we have the boost. Boom. Did you see? Got here. Immediately price got here. The same thing. Did you see that? So right now, the bulls are looking for momentum to come back, touch this particular place, and go back up, right? That is what I can see. Now, trade according to the direction of the market. Don't trade against the direction of the market. Let's get down further to 4-hour time frame. Good. Now, on the 4-hour time frame, what are we seeing? We are seeing a level, we are seeing series of what? Lower lows, lower high, right? Lower low, lower high, right now, right? So right now, what are we still looking at for? If you want to short BTC, you're doing that on a short time level. Don't make sure you're not shorting to hold your trade for long, right? Now, if we look at, we have patterns inside of patterns. We have structures inside of structure. You can see this declination, right? So price is currently declining, which is a retracement on the higher time frame to just get to this level so that price can correct itself to the upside. Do you see that? And that is the reason you're not supposed to be shorting BTC right now. Just hold on, let price get to this level, then you go in for long, because that is the direction of the market. One of the ability of traders is the ability to wait, let price correct itself. Let price give you that momentum. Let price come to your zone, right? Now, this is my zone. I'm waiting for price to come here before I will look for a buy right now. So I'm waiting for price to get to this level. Give me a level of what chart pattern or candlestick formation. Then I'll be looking to what? Go on a long-term trade on BTC USD. So once I'm targeting here, my overall target will just be here, this high here. Did you see that? Did you see that? So my entry time frame will just be on 1 hour time frame. I'll be waiting patiently for this to play out on the 1 hour time frame. You can see that price have been declining, all right? Price have been declining, all right? You may even want to scalp the sell. All right? We want to scalp the sell. Let's scalp it to this level. Once you get it, take a profit here and go in for a buy. Because that is when the top-down analysis is now aligning together, right? The 15-minute or 1 hour time frame is now aligning to the weekly time frame, because the weekly is still on the buy. And it's giving us the chart pattern, which is called the bullish flag pattern, all right? So you don't want to go otherwise. Just make sure you know how to enter on this particular trade. And you just be risking one to get over 1:9. Such a fantastic pips. All right, I hope that was interesting. You know, you can trade any instrument with the knowledge of Forex trading, all right? And that is the leverage you have. As a Forex trader, don't limit yourself to only one particular currency pair or something. Make sure you diversify. But you want to do that when you've gained a little bit of expertise on your chart, on your analysis, all right? So right now, this is one thing I want to share with you. Now, this is the catch. If you want to learn how to trade like me, you want to see the market the way I'm seeing the market, you want to be able to take opportunity of the market and make good money for yourself, all right? I'll be giving you the opportunity to pick my brain for just one day, all right? So for the past few weeks, a lot of people have been reaching out to me wanting to learn Forex trading, and the only way you can get the full package on Forex trading is not on YouTube right now. A lot of things are not being exposed here on YouTube. Only those who are in the inner circle can know and trade like a professional, right? So for this reason, I'm organizing a one-day Forex bootcamp for you all right? If you want to learn how to trade, if you want to understand the market and see the way I see it, This particular bootcamp will help you get started. Or probably you are a trader already, but you are finding it difficult to be profitable and to even remain consistently profitable in the financial market. You don't want to miss this one-day bootcamp with me, all right? This is going to be very exclusive and impactful, right? This particular bootcamp is happening on the 2nd of October and it's strictly online and only open to just 10 people. Why? Because I want to have just a handful of people that I can teach practically how to understand Forex market to the very end, all right? And these people will be having access to my one-on-one mentorship. And these people will also be having access to my private Telegram community. I send daily trade signals for free. So if you want to be part of these 10 people, take advantage now. The link is inside this description video. Be the first person to reserve your own slot. You can even reserve for your friend, all right? So go right now and make sure you sign up, okay? I see you inside my inner circle. Thank you.